Hey everyone, welcome to 3613 South L Street, right here in McAllen, Texas. This place is a beautiful two-story corner lot home with just over 3,000 square feet of living space, and it's packed with great features. When you walk in, you've got this bright, open living area that flows right into the dining space, perfect for family dinners or having friends over. The kitchen's got granite countertops, a nice breakfast bar, and plenty of storage, super practical for everyday life. Downstairs, you'll also find a bedroom with its own full bath, which is perfect for guests, in-laws, or even a home office. Upstairs, the master suite really stands out. It's spacious with a huge walk-in closet, a private bath, and 2 more bedrooms just down the hall. Outside, you've got a covered patio, perfect for evening hangouts, cookouts, or just relaxing. And here's the best part. The garage has been converted into a full Airbnb rental, complete with its own private entrance. It's generating income, which is a great bonus for the next owner. This home's in a great location, just minutes from the McAllen International Airport and Plaza Mall, close to shopping, dining, and travel. And right now, the seller's offering up to $12,000 in closing costs, which makes this deal even sweeter. So yeah, if you're looking for space, location, and value, this one's got it all. It's listed at $415,000 and it's ready for this next owner. I'm Talice, your McAllen relocation guide with eXp Realty, and if you'd like to schedule a private showing or get more information, call or text me at 956-300-4343 or send me an email at brysales@outlook.com. Enjoy the tour and welcome to 3613 South L Street, McAllen, Texas.